Jingmi Khubor baki nongkit petrol kin sange penpoi petrol biang kadai tang ka Hamsaia bat kipat ba kim dei ban long kap kap. Ya kanila ong menteri rang ba kajala Conrad ke sangma mentak khatlai tarik nok pra araja ar phaulai. Conrad ula ong ba menshwa hadin balayo ya kajing ujor na kitrai petrol pump ki pulet kila penlong ya kajing tokin. Bat kila lap shisha bakala don kajing tu petrol hadu khatsan hadu ar 4%. Bat kani kalakta ya kajing yo petrol ha kajala. Conrad ulaong ba menta lapan bet ya kane kakam bat kipat ba kim dei ban sir namar baka sorkar kan le ya kabadan kam.
And that was then converted into a harassment. Let me just go back into the history of what is happening in this case. As I mentioned, that there was a complaint from the different petrol pumps that the tankers that were coming and bringing the oil into the state, pilferage was taking place in that, and about 10 to 15%, sometimes 20% of the oil actually was being taken out before it reached the petrol pump, and hence a huge loss for the petrol pumps. Based on that complaint, the police in Reboy conducted a massive operation, and they found solid evidence where they were able to pick up some people who were actually involved in all of this. And that was then converted into a harassment from police, which is not true at all. Police was only doing its job based on complaint by the petrol pump owners. But having said that, we have discussed with everybody. The matter is in court. They are requesting for bail, but bail is going to be granted only by court, not by the government. So that process is on, but in that process, some of the transporters were not satisfied, or concerned people were not satisfied, and hence discussions are still going on. But just to share with all of you that all efforts are being put in from the government side to ensure that public is not at the receiving end and there's no inconvenience to the people. So at this point in time, I would request the press as well as all the public not to worry about things. If there is a situation that comes in, then definitely the government of Meghalaya will inform the people accordingly. But let's not go with rumors. Let's not go with all news to just create panic among the people, because that is not what's happening as of now. Of course, there is a problem in the sense that the discussion is still on and we're trying to resolve it, but there is no immediate problem with the supply of petrol and diesel in the state. And I would request that there should not be any panic. From our side, as I said, if there is any situation, we will inform. But as of now, things are under control.